Happy day 15 of Vlogmas! So I just stopped at Francisco's Meat Company, which is a meat market that we used to live by and is amazing. They usually have great cuts of meat. They have the butcher shop like right in the back of their building. It's pretty awesome. But I went there because we're having a little dinner party tomorrow at our house with just like a couple of our close friends. And I think Matt wants to make beef Wellington. So I was looking for a beef tenderloin, which they had, but it was like $21.95 a pound, which is so crazy because we need like 4, maybe 5 pounds. So yeah, we skipped on that one. And now I am outside of Costco. So I'm going to go to Costco. I think they have it. I'm pretty sure I've seen it here. And, I'm guessing their price is going to be a little bit more reasonable for a lot of meat. So let's go check it out. Batteries, I need batteries. This bottle just looks so pretty. I want it, but I don't need it. I have so much wine at my house. So I grabbed batteries, right? The Duracell ones because they're on sale, but I wanted to check the Kirkland ones and they still come out better priced even though they're not on sale. So this is on sale, but the Kirkland ones are still cheaper. So I'm gonna get those. Always gotta check. Okay, $15.99 a pound. That is much better. So I also need to get some mushrooms, which I completely hate, but that's what they need. That's what the recipe calls for. And then I got some baguettes. They were like warm when I grabbed them. And potatoes. Make some garlic mashed potatoes. Yum. Hello. So I just went to Sprouts. We needed some prosciutto for the beef Wellington, some shallots to make the gravy, and then they had that brand of eggnog, that expensive brand that makes chocolate milk really, really good. It starts with a B. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm not gonna pretend. Hi! What's that? I don't, because I only use a card. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I only use a card. I don't have any money at all. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, I don't know. I was in my car, starting my car, and a guy comes knocking on my window. I just don't think that's right. You came to my window, and now you're forcing me to roll my window down, and I don't know you. You're a stranger. Stranger danger. You know, that's too pushy for me. Like, maybe had I been coming out of the store and he was standing there by the door, maybe. But still, why you gotta put people in awkward situations? No. So when I went to that wine dinner the other night at the place I used to work, during the holidays, we'd always get this soup. It's a chestnut soup, and oh my gosh, is it good. It's the best soup I've ever had in my life, like no joke. And so one of the cooks that I knew still works there, so he gave me some to take home. And here it is. Matt and I are gonna heat it up as like a little appetizer tonight. We're not quite sure what we're doing for dinner yet, but I crisped up some prosciutto, and then we're gonna just add a little olive oil to the top. Oh my gosh, it's delicious, and I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, this girl could not be more stoked right now. Look how flippin' good that looks. Chestnut soup, if you've never heard of it, look it up. It's so good. So we had our little appetizer soup, and then we realized we're cooking a big dinner tomorrow and don't really feel like cooking anymore, so I'm going to Chinese Foods and Boston Donuts. It's our second time going because it's close and convenient and it was tasty. So here we go.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a happy.
Okay, so let me show you what I have so far. I have a few Christmas plates from when I was younger, but I don't have a lot. So we're having 6 people over. Well, we're having 6 people total, including Matt and I. So I've kind of mixed and matched. So plain plates, get a tiny Christmas tree plate, and the big Christmas tree plates get a plain plate. So I thought that was kind of fun. Little napkin, little centerpiece. And then I'm gonna add silverware tomorrow. It's washing in the dishwasher right now because we used a lot of silverware this week. And then this runner at the top is actually ribbon that I bought at Michael's for Thanksgiving last year when we hosted it at our house. And you can cut it to whatever size you want. It's so much cheaper than buying an actual runner. And I think it's so pretty. I used this for Friendsgiving this year too. And I just love it. And I have a whole bunch of it in long pieces, strips just like this. So I can do it on a bunch of tables outside. But yeah, oh, and I think you saw me under the table. I wrapped it underneath the table so that way it doesn't dangle on anyone's legs. So just a random little idea for you if you find yourself in a similar situation. I like it because it's not gonna move. Super tight to the table, it won't go everywhere. And looks super clean. Little life hack for you. I have a little drink station. I think I'm gonna make this area right here a little bar. I think I'm gonna try to find some kind of tablecloth to put on this or something. And then I could just like stack everything because it's right here next to the dining room. So I think it would be a perfect place for people to refill. So we'll see what I do tomorrow. I just love my sentimental tree. It's just so pretty. And then I did not show you what's underneath the sentimental tree. Are you ready? These guys are a little hint. I made a little hot cocoa bar. So cute. So we got white chocolate, milk chocolate. Don't get your tinsel in a tangle. We got candy canes, marshmallows, paper straws, cups. Yeah, everything you need to make a perfect hot cocoa. And I just think it's such like a cute little touch. There's a girl that I follow on Instagram. Oh, and this little sign that I hung. Christmas calories don't count. They don't, do they? But there's this girl that I follow on Instagram that actually my friend Lori introduced me to. Her house is just stupid cute. Like, they just built it from the ground up. They moved to Idaho recently. And it's pretty freaking beautiful. I just love everything she does and her style and stuff. So she did a little cocoa bar in her house too. And so I was like, that is such a fun little idea, just like a fun little nook, you know? So I was like, I'm gonna do one as well. And I'm really, really happy with how it turned out. So maybe tomorrow night, we'll be making some hot cocoa. I hope so. I love hot cocoa. So good. I think I'm just gonna like clean up a little bit around the house. I've already done all the dishes. I have dishes washing. And I'm just gonna clean the floor in the kitchen because that got a little dirty with Sadie running in and out of the house today. Yeah, then I'm gonna finish editing a video, go to bed, wake up, and it'll be a bright new day tomorrow. Night, night. Sadie, oh my goodness. Sadie, you're really up in our business here. Really up in our business. Wait.
You want to get on the phone?